20 years ago, I received my first payment for affiliate sales through my website. This was the start of a long internet career in which I explored dozens of ways to make money on the internet. You should not be fooled by pyramid schemes and other get-rich-quick campaigns. However, I truly believe anyone can make money from the internet if they are willing to put in the work. Whether you are looking to make a little extra cash on the side or establish a long-term online career, there are many different ways for you to profit from your skills and hard work ethic. Today, I am going to show you 10 ways to make money online 2021. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to channel. Let's get started. 10. Monetize your social media presence. Social media has transformed the way we communicate on the internet and given everyone a platform to voice their opinion. If you are active on a service such as Instagram or Twitter, you may want to consider monetizing your social media presence. One way to do this is to promote products and services of other companies. Sponsored messages are common on social media and are usually tagged with hashtag sponsored and hashtag ad, so the advertisements can be identified. Advertisers are looking for engagement with your followers. Therefore, you need to ensure sponsored products are relevant and be creative with how you promote the company. Otherwise, you run the risk of alienating your subscribers. Influencer marketplaces such as Aspire IQ and Upfluence are a great starting point to find sponsorships, as they give you access to thousands of potential companies, but you should also look into working with companies directly. Alternatively, you can use your social media presence as a springboard to launch your own products. For example, if you post about fitness a lot, you could sell fitness-related products such as t-shirts, protein bars, and water bottles. Others choose to use social media to promote online courses and their latest blog posts. Whether you sell advertisements on your social media accounts directly or use it as a platform to promote your other interests, the goal is to keep your followers entertained while still making money. 9. Do micro jobs. Want to make money from your skills? Of course you do. A common way to start making money online is to sell your services on a micro job marketplace, such as Fiverr. The marketplace allows anyone to sell digital services across a number of different categories, such as graphics and design, writing, videos, music business, lifestyle, and more. Microjob marketplaces evolved from regular freelancer marketplaces that businesses use. The lines between both platforms has blurred a little over the years as companies adapt to an ever-changing landscape. But generally speaking, the jobs on websites such as Fiverr are small tasks that are quick to complete. For example, you could offer to write a blog post, design a logo, write messages for a company's social media campaign, or produce a short video for YouTube. The general idea is that you make money from many small jobs rather than one large job. Be aware, however, that micro-job websites such as Fiverr can be extremely competitive. Therefore, in the beginning, you may have to reduce your rates until you establish yourself as a reliable freelancer. 8. Complete online surveys. You're not going to make a career out of it, but if you are just looking for a little extra cash on the side, you may want to consider doing online surveys through companies such as Swagbucks, OnePoll, and Toluna. These companies reward consumers for giving vital customer insights into brands, products, and services. Some companies do pay cash, but it is more common to send gift cards and free products for testing. Many online polling services offer rewards for performing other tasks too. For example, you may be asked to download an iOS app or Android app and give feedback. If you don't mind another company tracking your online habits, you can also earn cash using predefined search engines. 7. Test websites and apps for others. Another way you can provide insight to companies is to test the user experience of websites and apps. As a tester, you will typically be required to download a testing application to your computer, tablet, or smartphone. You will then be asked to perform a series of tasks, with most tasks taking 10 to 20 minutes to complete. For example, you may be asked to find a product in an online store and go through the checkout process. Don't worry, you're not expected to buy anything. You are simply testing websites and applications so that the developers can fix usability issues and improve the user experience for customers. The amount of money you can make from testing varies from service to service. Testing time, for example, states that you can earn £60 per hour, whilst user testing, user feel, and try my UI state that you can earn $10 per test. Testing websites and apps is not going to make you a millionaire, but it is a simple way to make a little extra cash on the side. 6. Launch a blog. Online surveys and testing can give you a taste of what it's like to make money on the internet. However, if you are looking for a long-term return, you should look towards creating a stable business. One type of business I recommend exploring is blogging. Unlike some other types of websites, you do not need to have any technical experience to start a blog. You just need to be passionate about something. The whole process of creating a blog is straightforward. All you need to do is select a blogging platform, register a domain name, and then choose a blog hosting company. 5. Build an affiliate website. The principles for creating a successful blog can be used to build a profitable affiliate website. This includes creating engaging content, marketing your website, and adhering to search engine ranking guidelines. In contrast to blogs, with an affiliate website, you are gearing everything towards specific products. This is why most affiliate websites contain product reviews. People who are searching for a review of a particular product are more likely to purchase it after reading an informative review. Therefore, the odds of making a referral commission are greatly increased. Whilst it does help to know a product firsthand, you can write good product reviews by either hiring others to write for you or summarize what others have wrote. 4. Launch an online shop. According to Digital Commerce 360, e-commerce spending was around $3.5 trillion in 2019 and is expected to grow further in the next few years. It is a massive market and one which you should consider tapping into. As you would expect, building a successful online shop requires a lot of hard work. Therefore, it may be several months before you start making a healthy monthly profit. Prepare yourself by looking at how others have built successful shops and research what products sell, who your competitors are, and who your target audience is. 3. Sell products on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and more. When you launch an online shop, you have to spend time administrating the store. However, in order to find customers, you also have to market your store and its products. This can be difficult unless you have a large budget for an advertising campaign or a platform to promote your products, such as a blog or social media account with a loyal following. If you want to start earning money quicker, you may want to instead consider selling products on an e-commerce marketplace, such as Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. 2. Create a job board. What's the best type of website to build to make money online? If you had to ask an experienced internet marketer this question, my guess is that job board would be bottom of the list. Yet, there is a lot of money to be made with job boards. The most difficult part of launching a job board is attracting companies to post jobs and then establishing an audience. In the beginning, you may want to duplicate job listings from other websites. After all, no one is going to visit a job board that has no job listings. Job boards are an attractive long-term project, as once the job website is established, it requires very little maintenance to keep it running and earning money. 1. Create a discussion forum. Up until the mid to late 2000s, discussion forums were one of the most common places for internet users to hang out and communicate with each other. I launched my first discussion forum in 2000 and launched a dozen more over the years. Forums are less common today due to the popularity of social media. Yet, they can still be hugely profitable. Many large discussion forums continue to be monetized by banner ads and sponsored ads from partners. But over the last 10 years, we have also seen more private discussion forums arrive. Private discussion forums charge members a monthly or yearly fee to gain access to the forum. Obviously, you cannot just install forum software and expect money to start rolling in. You need to entice people to sign up to your private discussion forum by offering something they cannot find elsewhere. This could be an extensive online course, or simply direct access to yourself or others who can provide support. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos and I'll see you in the next video.